Hello, future engineers and technology enthusiasts! Welcome back to our workshop series where today we'll dive into the exciting world of sanders. We'll explore different types of sanders, their uses, and most importantly, how to use them safely and effectively. Types of sanders. Sanders are invaluable tools in any workshop, making rough surfaces smooth and preparing materials for finishing touches. Today, we'll focus on two popular types, the disc sander and the belt sander. Each has its unique strengths, suitable for various tasks. Disc sander. The disc sander is perfect for working on outside corners and getting those smooth, rounded edges. It's a powerful tool, but remember, power comes with responsibility. The disc spins in a specific direction, usually clockwise, meaning you should always sand on the downward side to avoid accidents and ensure the dust is managed properly. Belt sander. Moving on to the belt sander, this versatile tool can handle not just outside corners like the disc sander, but it's also great for smoothing flat surfaces. Its continuous belt motion makes it ideal for larger flat pieces, ensuring an even finish. Safety first. Safety cannot be overstressed when working with power tools. Always keep your fingers on top of the material you're sanding, away from the moving parts. Never attempt to sand small pieces where your hands could slip towards the sander. And always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from dust and debris. Pro tips. 1. Even sanding. To avoid burns or uneven wear on your material, keep it moving slightly. 2. This not only prevents damage to the material, but also extends the life of your sander. 3. Pre-cutting. If you're working with odd shapes or intricate designs, cut as close to your final shape as possible before sanding. 4. This saves time and preserves your sander's integrity. Remember, mastering these tools will not only make your projects look professional, but will also enhance your skills as a budding engineer or technologist. Practice, stay safe, and keep creating. Quiz time! Test your knowledge with this quick quiz. Which sander is best for rounding outside corners? 1A. Drum sander. 2B. Disc sander. 3C. Belt sander. 4D. All of the above. 5. Answer B. Disc sander. Where should you stand when using a disc sander to ensure safety? 1A. On the upward side of the disc. 2B. On the downward side of the disc. 3C. Any side as long as you're careful. 4D. Behind the sander. 5. Answer B. On the downward side of the disc. What is a key safety tip when using sanders? 1A. Keep your fingers under the board. 2B. Wear gloves at all times. 3C. Keep your fingers on top of the material. 4D. Only sand in one place for a smooth finish. 5. Answer C. Keep your fingers on top of the material. Why is it important to move the material slightly when sanding? 1A. To make the sander work harder. 2B. To avoid burning the material. 3C. To create a textured finish. 4D. To wear out the sander faster. 5. Answer B. To avoid burning the material. What should you do before sanding odd shapes or intricate designs? 1A. Sand them immediately to save time. 2B. Pre-cut them as close to the final shape as possible. 3C. Ignore them, as sanders can't handle odd shapes. 4D. Paint them. 5. Answer B. Pre-cut them as close to the final shape as possible. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep building your skills. See you in the next video.